Yeah, what the deal is? Wonder why them thoughts about us still appealing. Wonder why your boy still caught up in his feelings. Wanna trade these inner demons for some dollars, man, you feel him?
Hi, I'm Brother Pocan from Great Bridge Lodge number 257, and welcome to the Mason Maker. We are going to make the most iconic thing you can make in masonry, and that's of course the Masonic ring, right? How cool is that? We're going to make these out of silver. We're going to use a technique called lost wax. This is some recycled wax. I have a few of these. We're going to carve ourselves out the old compass and square. Right? You've seen it? Right? We're even going to put the G in the middle. And we're going to start off with a 6.5 centimeter diameter on the top, or the insignia part. And then coming off the sides, 4 centimeters down to 2.5 centimeters, making a ring. These are going to be a size 10. So let's get this going. I got to make a couple of these. Only one will survive. And that's my skill set, folks. I don't want to tell you, it's not a one shot, one kill over here. Let's go.
Catch your eye and looking at me, of course. Halfway through the day, you're on my mind and thinking you're there to stay. 'Cause I would let you change me. I would be a fool. I can't think of any old thing I wouldn't do for you. Man, I would let you waste me. I live at your rule.
Alright, so we got our little ring tree, all made of jeweler's wax. They're a little rough. I can clean a lot of it up once the metal is poured into it. I didn't want to get too thin on the wax, or more things like this would happen. Oh no! It broke. Something that kind of happened that probably didn't come up in the video because I realized it wasn't recording is the little emblem on the inside, right? I did not freehand carve that by no means. I have a little stencil and I made some little marks with an X-Acto knife, and then I used a rotary tool and an X-Acto knife to kind of clean it out and give it some depth. So they're all slightly unique in their own way, but for the most part the stencil really did work. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, so we got a horrible looking tree. Any jeweler out there is going to be like, they're not all going to make it. And you'd be right. Really, I'm just trying to make one. I'm giving myself 4 good chances there at different positions. So when I pour silver in, it will work. So let's get these encased in some investment. Investment's it's a powder. Like I don't want to call it. It's like plaster of Paris or Paris of plaster, whatever that stuff's called, because you don't really want to use that stuff. It's a powder form that you use water for, but it gets a lot harder and it can withstand heats better, because we really got to get these temperatures up to melt the wax out, so then we can heat up some silver and pour it in there. And that's going to be this next part. Let's go. Alright, that's it. Let's take off the old ring. And we'll go ahead and put on our new ring here. I really like the way that came out. That is probably some of the best casting I have done in a very long time. It's all shined up, protected, fits right on. Now I have an extra one. What am I going to do with it? Well, we're going to give this to somebody that's going through the ranks here in Masonry. Once they get their Master Mason, it's generally when you wear a ring. So we're going to pop that on. Big debate that often happens in Masonry is, how do you wear your ring? Prongs down, prongs up. How do you do it? I always say it's a piece of jewelry. You're supposed to get a better picture of what's on the piece of jewelry. Boom, you show it like that. I don't know, what do you think? Definitely let me know down below. And don't forget, we appreciate you coming by. If you mind giving us a subscribe or maybe a like, or even comment down below, or share this video, preferably with another Mason. That would be great. That's all I got, guys. Let's go ahead and get this out to somebody. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Yeah. So dedicated to the ones that feel alone, that ain't no one gonna hear what they've been saying. Yeah, and I've been relating, cause I felt the same myself, thinking that ain't no one gonna come around when you're yelling for help. So they just